Let me show you the prettiest skincare box I've gotten lately. The best part? It comes with everything you need for a well-rounded skincare routine. The eye serum feels lightweight and absorbs beautifully. The glow serum is one of my favorites because it leaves my skin looking healthy, radiant, and naturally glowing. The Dynasty Cream keeps my skin feeling hydrated, soft, and nourished throughout the day. And of course, the Relief Sun Sunscreen is a favorite. Lightweight, comfortable, and with no white cast. It's really thoughtful that the set also includes travel-size products. Overall, this feels like such a thoughtful set.